How to create a collection on Twitch PC. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a collection on your channel on Twitch. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to Twitch, this is the home page. Go to the top corner, click on your profile, go down, click on settings, and it will take you to this page. Now all what you have to do is click on channel and videos. Now click here on content. Click here on collections, and now write your collection name from here, for example test collection, and click create. Now I just create a collection, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.